I am done with the kitchen header. Nice and sturdy. It's sitting on 2 studs. Also, I screwed 4 screws from here. And here are the notches, tiny little notches to make that fit. Sitting nicely on 2 studs on that side too, same thing. And there's a 1/2 inch plywood in between to fit perfectly. Looks good. I think it makes the kitchen separated a little bit from the dining room. Here's the dining room, here's the kitchen. Now it's time to take these old studs out that used to be the back of the kitchen wall. The next thing I'm gonna also do is sister up this joist because there is just too little sitting on the ledge. So I'm gonna sister it up so it will extend all the way to the end of this. It's gonna be able to all the way extend all the way to the wall, and I can sister it up to here sitting on the ledge, and perhaps put a couple of screws here to actually also attach it to this wall stud. So it's gonna be super strong. I'm only gonna put it up to here because now the electric is there and I don't feel like taking it out, so it's gonna go from here to there. I need to measure that. Today is August 2nd. I worked on the bathroom today. All the layers were taken up, and also the soft floor was replaced in this section where there used to be the toilet, all cracked up and rotted, and the bathtub used to be here, all rotted. So that's what that looks like. It has a total of 1 inch plywood right now, and I'm still gonna, I think, layer this whole floor with another 1/2 inch plywood just all around to make it stronger. And then I built the bathtub enclosure. So I don't know if I did this right. I'm gonna have to go home and Google this, but the distance between the final wall and this wall, it is 60 1/4 inch, which is 5-foot tub. And I made the wall 34 inch long, so the bathtub is not going to come all the way to the end, so that's good. And I did put 2 studs here in the middle, sort of, leaving the midpoint of the bathtub is going to be right there. So I have about 8 inches opening here. I don't know if that's going to be enough for, I'm assuming there's going to be 2 pipes coming up, warm and cold. And then I'm going to have to make something here to attach the faucet, and then there's going to be another strapping here to attach the shower to it, so to hold them strong, but I'll do that later. So this looks good, ready for the plumber. That was my goal today, to make the bathroom ready for the plumber to come in and start cutting into my new floor. So I still have to make sure I line out the sink for him so he knows where the sink is, and the toilet's gonna be here somewhere. The toilet's gonna be between the 2 joists. So here's a joist and here's a joist, so the toilet is right here. So I'll mark that out as a general area for the toilet, and then the sink is gonna be under the window, and of course the bathtub is right here, which we all know. So looks good. Coming in from the other door. We're gonna face the toilet right there, and the sink right there, and the bathtub is gonna be right here. So this actually could be storage. It could be a laundry basket or something here. This is where the baseboard heater is gonna be, on this side. So I think it turned out real good. Not too big and not too small. It's just the perfect size for a 3-piece bathroom. So that's it. See you next time.